the next thing we do that keeps us out of present time is we judge. Judging is something that we do to keep us safe. However, it actually keeps us out of present time. It keeps us from noticing the love that is available all around us all the time. And it prevents change. And guess what? If you don't like your life and you're looking for change, the first thing you need to do is you need to give up judging. Because, well, right now, you could be judging me. Don't like my haircut. Don't like that I'm in a t-shirt and jeans. Watch the full intro if you didn't do it yet. Full intro and demo, you'll find out that I've been through 2 house fires and lost all of my belongings. And yeah, that included my suits and my nice shoes. So, hey, Brian gets to start over at 51. That's fun. I'm not judging it. And, maybe you shouldn't either. Get past your judgments. Let them go. Judging is what gives charge to our environment. It gives charge to our memories too. And by charge, I mean positive or negative. It's just like electricity. If you judge that over there is bad, or that over there is good, you've just given it emotional content. And that emotional content is a huge distraction. You're much better off letting things be and not labeling them and just noticing them for what they really are. Judging prevents us from feeling the unconditional love. Judging prevents us from growing. Judging prevents us from noticing what's really going on. It's not your job to judge. It just isn't. Your job is to stay alive and to enjoy your life and to record what it's like being human. It's not to judge. Don't let that become your job. And if it did become your job, figure out a way to drop it. And that's one thing that we do in this class. We figure out a way to drop judging. And it's actually very easy. We're going to look at how you came up with the idea that it was valuable to judge. And obviously it's to keep you safe. However, you've been alive this long, you're probably safe already. Like, you're going to be okay. Take a breath. There's probably nothing actually impeding your survival right now. Otherwise, you wouldn't have time to watch a video, right? There's no lion chasing you around the room right now, like you're safe. So just notice that you're safe, and it's okay to not judge. And you can just take information in. We're going to look at this later, what judging is, where it comes from, because really the judging, it prevents change. And this work, right? I mean, if you're watching these videos, then you're looking for change. And, sorry to pull the rug out from under your plan, but you cannot judge and also change. Not possible. Not in a positive way anyway. And, well, that's all I got to say about that right now. But these topics are going to get revisited. We're just going to move forward, and then we're going to reflect back and keep moving forward. And I suspect that we're going to have hours and hours in this video playlist. But this is a complete workshop, if my plan completes itself. So please stick around and keep breathing. This idea that maybe you shouldn't judge, you're going to catch yourself judging, and don't beat yourself up for judging. Don't judge yourself for judging. I'm not going to quit this video without giving you some tools. So you catch yourself judging, right? Recommit to not judging. And just say, whoops, I judged again. Okay, I'm not going to do that. And then if you do it again, say, whoops, I judged again. Like, notice yourself judging and just stop yourself. Don't beat yourself up for judging. I mean, if you're judging yourself for judging, you're perpetuating judging. There's nothing wrong with judging. It just prevents you from feeling the unconditional love, and it prevents you from seeing how perfect the world is. That's big, but that's all it is, right? Don't beat yourself up for judging. You can let it go and still be safe. Take a breath. If you caught yourself holding your breath, don't judge yourself for that either. Just take another breath. Like, this work is easy if you just, relax and take it in. You are safe. And, thanks for trusting me on these videos. Let's move forward.